Let's take a look at how to manage your trades using the advanced dashboard. When you click on trades in the top bar, you'll get a detailed overview of both your active and historical trades. We covered part of this in another video, but here's a quick recap and a deeper explanation. You'll see here the list of all open trades. These are positions where the tokens have not been fully sold yet. You will notice two important values: the unrealized P&L, which shows the profit or loss you would make if you sold right now. In this calculation is already included the estimated price impact coming from slippage and the sell tax if there are. Here you can see the realized P&L, which represents the already secured profit if you have partially sold the position. You can also view the amount in Solana or dollars, the number of tokens you bought, and the price and market cap at entry. You can switch from price to market cap by clicking on the toggle. The top value shows the fully diluted market cap, and the bottom value shows the current one. In the DCA column, you can check whether you have any planned DCAs. If they haven't executed yet, you'll see the price at which the next DCA is scheduled to trigger, as well as how many total DCAs you set. In this example, none have executed yet. Below, you can see another trade where one DCA already executed. You can also see your take profit levels. These are the prices at which your trade will automatically take profit. The same goes for stop loss. If you hover over it, you can see more details, including if there is trailing. You can see how long the trade has been open. You can switch between viewing the age of the trade or the exact timestamp of when it was opened. Now let's look at how to manage your position manually. You have two quick actions available. The first one is double up, which instantly buys the same open amount again. This is useful if you want to DCA further or if you see strong momentum. The second quick action is sell all available, which immediately closes the full position. If you click on the three dots, you'll find more advanced options. When you open the sell modal, you can choose exactly how many tokens to sell. You can adjust priority fees, slippage, and MEV protection. And you can also view contract information such as taxes or maximum sell limits. You can also buy more tokens. Here you can choose between a market order, which buys instantly at the current price, or a limit order. With a limit order, you define how much you want to buy and the target price. Mizar will monitor the price block by block and execute the order as soon as the target is reached. A limit order requires an expiration time. Once the expiration time is reached, the order will be cancelled automatically. All fee settings are available here as well. There are a few additional actions you can take. You can edit the trade if you want to change take profit levels or remove DCAs. You can cancel the trade if you want to move it from open trades to history without actually selling it. You can still reactivate it if you need. Another powerful option is merge. If you have multiple trades for the same token, you can merge them into a single trade to simplify management. Select the trades you want to merge, confirm, and all orders will be grouped into the main trade. Your take profit and stop loss from the original trade will continue to be used. You can also filter trades by token address or bot ID if you want to focus on a specific set of trades. And finally, you can perform a bulk sell. Simply enable the selection mode, pick multiple trades, decide how much you want to sell from each one, and execute the sale in a single click. This gives you full control over your active positions and makes it easy to manage even a large number of trades efficiently.